The RAM 1500 key fob, used for remote keyless entry and ignition, typically requires a new CR2032 battery every 2 to 4 years. The key fob houses a CR2032 battery that powers remote functions. Begin by obtaining a small plastic pry tool or a flathead screwdriver. Carefully insert the tool into the seam of the key fob to separate the two halves. Once open, note the orientation of the CR2032 battery, positive side up. Remove the old battery and replace it with a new one, ensuring correct polarity. Firmly snap the key fob back together. Test the fob's functionality by locking and unlocking your vehicle. For 2024-2025 models, enhanced waterproofing improves battery life, but the core replacement method remains consistent. While physical key fobs remain common, trends are shifting towards digital keys via smartphone apps and potentially rechargeable fobs. Currently, ensure you purchase a quality CR2032 battery for optimal performance. If you encounter issues, double-check battery polarity and fob alignment. For those in colder climates, be aware that extreme temperatures can impact battery life, potentially requiring more frequent changes. Looking ahead, expect digital keys to become more prevalent in future RAM models, potentially reducing the need for physical battery replacements. However, for now, DIY battery replacement remains a cost-effective solution. Always consult your RAM 1500 owner's manual for specific instructions.